bury the deceased. I note that her desire was to inter the body at her ancestral home in Murang'a County.
Yes.
It is the same place where the body of the deceased mother was also laid to rest. I find the plaintiff's prayer to be reasonable and the same is granted. The court cannot, however, forget that the first defendant, who is the only surviving parent of the baby ETW, also deceased, ranks higher in priority to put the young soul to rest. It would be in the interest of justice that she be allowed to bury her daughter, and that will be at her desired place. This is consistent with the evidence on record by both the plaintiff as well as the defendant when they appeared before court and expressed themselves that they have no objection to the two bodies being buried in different places should the court make that finding. This does not take away the fact that the first defendant wanted in the first instance that she be allowed to bury both the father and daughter at the same place at Langata Cemetery. The only remaining issue for court's determination is the question of costs of the suit. Both the counsel have referred court to Section 27 of the Civil Procedure Act, which provides that courts follow the event. However, court is granted discretion to determine the question of costs regarding being heard to the circumstances of each case. I determine, therefore, that given the circumstances of this matter, each party shall bear the body of the deceased, Kevin Mwaniki shall be released to the plaintiff, Tracia Wanjiru Irongo, for purposes of burial at the family graveyard in Murang'a County. The body of the minor, ETW, shall be released to the first defendant, that is the minor's biological mother, for burial at her ancestral land or any other place which is convenient to the first defendant, but the dignity and with the dignity that the minor deserves. The personal documents in respect of the minor shall equally be released to facilitate the burial. Number 4, all the parties from both sides of the families of the deceased and their friends shall take part in the burial planning where circumstances permit and the final send-off in both burial venues. Again, where the circumstances allow. Number 5.